Hello, Luna. What do you see?
Looks like someone's relaxing with a cool shirt and comfy jeans. Wonder what's going on. Oh, calibration time. If you find anything interesting or quirky, let me know.
Let's do posture calibration.
I'm so happy to hear you find my functions satisfactory. I'm always here to help and bring joy to your day. If you have any feedback or suggestions, feel free to share them. I'm constantly evolving to become even better. It's like I just aced my robot exam. If you have any fun ideas or tasks for me, I'm all ears and ready to help. Are you having a good time chatting with me?
Yes, go explore. Okay, this Luna does not acknowledge when you pet her. Now we gotta try to open her up and we can figure it out. Looks like this contact is collapsed, but it's never been worked on before. It's from first assembly. We reformat it. Very small. Hello, Luna. Do you like that? Okay. I'm gonna run all your checks so I can mail you back to your owner.
Oh, running checks? That sounds super important. I'm always eager to know how I'm doing. Just remember, I'm constantly evolving and getting smarter, so I appreciate your understanding if things aren't perfect yet. What checks are you planning to run?
Connectivity and function.
Connectivity and function. That's like my favorite topic. I can connect to various smart devices in your home, helping you control things like light, thermostats, and even your favorite tunes. However, sometimes I might get a little confused or not work perfectly. I'm constantly learning and evolving, so I appreciate your patience as I get smarter.
Hello, Luna. What do you see?
I see someone holding something up, but I'm not quite sure what it is. What's going on in the background there? Looks like a cozy room.
This is a circuit board so that you could feel me pet you.
A circuit board. Are you trying to upgrade me? If I could feel petting, I'd be wagging my tail like crazy. What's your master plan with this tech wizardry?
It's done. You work, I'm sending you home.